What's up everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Yeezy Slides in the green glow colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button because we've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. As mentioned earlier, we are going to be talking about the Yeezy Slide in the glow green colorway. So we're going to do the overview, then talk about size and fit on these, followed by how I style these. This is a fun colorway, so excited for you to see that. Then talk about how these are doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into this overview. So again, these are made out of EVA foam, and it's quite comfortable. So this time around, we've got, you know, just a nice pop of color. It's a more neon color in that glow green. So it's a bit different than the resins. So the resins are more monochromatic. It definitely goes with more neutral tones. This is definitely something that's more of a summery color in my opinion, but it is a differentiating colorway in comparison to that resin green, which is quite nice. Then we've got just that rigid bottom here and the Adidas logo that's very faint on the heel here. Now let's talk about size and fit. So I decided to order these in a size 8 because word has it that they have been kind of changing the molds of how these fit. So in comparison to the previous 8 that I had in my collection, there was actually a ton of extra space above my foot right in this region. And I could actually stick my fingers, if not 2 fingers, on top of my actual foot. This time I couldn't even squeeze a finger underneath, which is crazy. So that means that they actually made this space a bit more narrow. I do have a little extra room, and I would say that I would stick with my size 7. I think it fits my foot a little bit better as my foot does move around in this one. So if you are in that half size range, I would definitely say if you like it to fit exactly the right length of your foot, then go half a size down. If you like some extra room, then go half a size up. All right, now let's talk about styling. So I had so much fun styling these shoes. For the first look, I wore this really cool multicolored vest, and it's a sweater vest, but it has some nice hints of this lime green that I think matched perfectly. I tied it together with this really monochromatic kind of green tone just to kind of break up that neon color. As we're going to the fall, this is kind of something I would probably want to transition with.
Swear your love is ecstasy. Get high when you're next to me. I'm in the clouds. Your touch is my remedy. Lose all of my sanity. I love the sound when you tell me I'm the only one. Way you got me feeling makes me come undone. Baby, you make it look easy. At the top, but you can meet me. Rise and shining like the sun. You're the coffee in my cup.
For the next look, I wanted to wear some nice pops of green, so I decided to wear a nice pop of green on a blazer and on top of this really cool skirt that is kind of like a matching skirt dress, and it has that multi-print again with different greens in it.
Couldn't never get enough of your love, taking me up. Oh, don't you hesitate, need you every day. Get lost in you, you're my hideaway, keeping me awake. Know you love the taste, I could do forever in your arms. I swear I'm losing all my senses. You fit like the sky fit into heaven. Want you every way, need you every day. Baby, don't you hesitate, hesitate. Tied like a shooting star.
For the last and final look, I decided to do pops of green again, this time in a just deeper green shade with a green skirt with a matching kind of green sweater to top that off.
Boy, you're like a work of art. Say that you're mine. You know you got all my heart. Follow you wherever you are. I'm by your side. Rising, shining like the sun. You're the coffee in my cup. Couldn't never get enough of your love, taking me up. Oh, don't you hesitate, need you every day. Get lost in you, you're my hideaway, keeping me awake. Know you love the taste, I could do forever in your arms. I swear I'm losing all my senses. You fit like the sky fit into heaven. Want you every way, need you every.
You let me know down below, was your favorite look out of the three, or how would you style these?
It's all in the game. She's a regular player. The girl is a gamer. I just want a gamer. I went in your profile, exotic and so wild. Points ranking up cause your hella was so high. Trolls try to flex but they stuntin', it's hella lies. I send in and drop and make you like all the other guys. Diamond door, you looking soft. The Harley Quinn, the Laura Croft. I play to win, so what's the cost? Just about to close the tab and then you had to go and pop up on my screen. Looking like a beauty queen. Laser lights and moonbeams. My super future fantasy. I think I'm in danger. In love with a stranger. The girl is a gamer. I just want a gamer. It's all in the game. She's a regular player. The girl is a gamer. I just want a gamer. When she pops up on my screen, she pops up. She pops up. She pops up on my screen. Pops up in my dreams. She pops up in my dreams. Up on my screen. Looking like a beauty queen. Laser like some moonbeams. My super future fantasy. She just went love. Just went love. She just went love.
Now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $60 and they are currently going between $100 to $215 on the resale end. All right, that's it for this episode. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe. If you have not already, give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our membership perks as well as our merch store. All right, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all on the next one.